Okay, so first I'm going to just give you the idea that how can you make questions about the past simple tense. So we talked about the structure that we have some common question words right here, and this is how you can change it. You know how to change it? Rehan, do you know
Yeah,
how to change it?
yeah.
Okay, so first you need to give
Met
me
him.
a positive sentence and I will be changing into interrogative.
Huh.
I met him in the blink of an eye.
Okay, so we can change this particular sentence into interrogative. What time did you meet him in the blink of an eye? When did you meet him in the blink of an eye? Why did you meet him in the blink of an eye? How did you meet him in the blink of an eye? For how long did you meet him in the blink of an eye? Where did you meet him in the blink of an eye? And who did you meet him in the blink of an eye with? This is how you need to translate it. Now I'm going to give you the sentence and you need to change that particular sentence into interrogative. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay. She wrote a letter yesterday. She wrote a letter yesterday.
Okay. What time did she write a what time did she write a letter? When did she write a letter? Why did she write a letter? How did she write a letter? For how long did she write a letter? Where did she write a letter? Who did she write a letter with?
So your sentence is that she played football.
What time did she play football? When did she play football? Why did she play football? How did she play football? For how long did she play football? Where did she play football? Who did she play football with?
Aslam paid the bill. Aslam paid the bill.
What time did Aslam pay the bill? When did Aslam pay the bill? Why did Aslam pay the bill? How did Aslam pay the bill? For how long did Aslam pay the bill? Where did Aslam pay the bill? Who did Aslam pay the bill with?
Okay, she washed the clothes.
What time did she wash the clothes? When did she wash the clothes? Where did she wash the clothes? How did she wash the clothes? For how long did she wash the clothes? Where did she wash the clothes? Who did she wash the clothes with?
She opened the window. Why?
What time did she open the window? When did she open the window? Why did she open the window? How did she open the window? For how long she opened the window?
Did.
For how long did she open the window? Where did she open the window? Did she open the window with?